Judge.
Hello.
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 Who are you, Medina?
I don't know. Who the heck is Medina?
Or Medea?
Or Medea?
Taylor Berry. That black dude. Comic. Well, he thinks he's funny.
Okay. Toby! Toby Tobes! Tobers. Aw, there's little Toby face. There's my little Toby face. Aw, there's my little cute butt. Bad eating. Good morning, M&M's.
What's up? What's up? So, anyway, it's about 1:30. Just kind of cramming a couple hours of hard living in here before we go to work. So, for lunch, I made teriyaki chicken and Uncle Ben's roasted chicken rice. I love that 90-second rice. I love rice, but I used to hate cooking rice because either A, I fuck it up, or two, it just took too fucking long to do. So that 90-second Uncle Ben's rice you throw in the microwave, nuke, and eat, love it. Love it. So, how is it?
Yummy!
Somebody's like,
Chicken's pretty good
wish
too.
I had some, man. Wish I had some. He's like, where's mine, man? Where's mine? You guys suck, man. Why you guys gonna suck like that, man? Actually, yeah, I don't like eating with the dog up my ass, so he usually stays at a fairly far distance when we're eating. So, yeah. The return, sports fans!
Hey guys. You're snuggling here with my little boy. He's such a sweet little puppy. I do love him so much. I'm home from work. Michael should be home here really soon. Doesn't he just look so cute when he cuddles? Look at his little paw. He's home! You got yourself a donut too. Donut, and I got a beefy stick. Because I am cutting down on my donut. Even though I would rather have a donut. Oh, yeah, soak it all up. That looks so wrong. Stop that. Stop it. Hi, guys.
Morning.
11:30 and the next day. Today, tomorrow. I'm still kind of sleepy. I just woke up. I always just wake up and have to see pizza and juices. How weird is that? Okay, it's not that weird.
Especially when we were awake last night. We could have done last night.
Yeah.
But we keep forgetting. It's like a thing with us.
Shh.
The
Don't
tradition
tell
of
them
derpiness continues.
Don't tell them we're derps.
We're derping.
Don't derp. Stop derping, remember. Peace out, you guys.
Deuces.
And we will talk to you today.
Later.
Later. Mwah. Aww. Daddy and son moment. You still haven't put your pants on.
I just had that freaked out whole thing. Put that on the damn.
No, I am. I'm going to put it on.
Alright, what do you want from
It was getting changed and I got distracted by